Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's open this up and see who it is from. See if I can get it with these big scissors because I'm not sure where my orange scissors are. They've flown the coop. Maybe the cat's doing some cut and paste while I'm gone. All right, this is a very big bag. Okay, hang on. Hold that thought. Flip it over. Okay, this is from DPClubs, and it will be in 2 parts. The next part will be next Thursday. So we will start with what is on the top. We have a beautiful pair of those lovely iridescent is the word. Hello. Scissors. It does have a little thing on the end to keep you from poking yourself. I was hoping, oh yeah, they are good and pointed. Hopefully you can see how pointed they are, which is very nice. They just need to be wiped down with a little bit of something. But they are gorgeous. Now, these were $5.39, and they come in several colors. Not sure how many, but we have 2 birds right here, and then we have flowers, and we have tall flowers. But yes, they are very, very nice scissors, and they're nice. They're not heavy. They've got a little bit of weight to them, but they're not that heavy. Let me see if it does stay. No. I thought maybe it'd say how much it weighed. It might in the description on the website say how heavy they are. They've got a little bit of weight. They're just like these. So they have that lovely sharp point on them. I love that. These seem a little bit lighter weight though. They're a bit smaller. Well, no, they're about the same size. So they come in that rose gold, they come in iridescent, I'm sure they have silver and copper and gold, but there may be other colors beyond that, but I just absolutely love these scissors just because they have a nice sharp point and they can get under a stitch if you have to take a stitch out. It's awesome. So there's some of the better scissors that I've seen. Let me get rid of this package here. All right, we also have 2 cross-stitch kits. Let me get it out of the thing here. These are Joy Sunday wannabes, and they are both stamped kits. Isn't that pretty? This is another one in their, like, what do you call them, sampler type series. I just absolutely love this. It's just nice and easy to stitch. Doesn't have any back stitching. You could put back stitching if you wanted to. It is 14 count, 27 by 35, and it was $5.39. So it's not too terribly big. It does have a nice printed book. The printed pattern will not match. The paper pattern will not match the canvas. The canvas has its own symbols. And you only have 8 colors in this, but they're very nice and bright and cheery. No 310, no 550 purple, no 3865, no 939. Yeah, just 8 colors. But I thought, this has got to be easy to stitch. And it's just 1 paper pattern page. Let me put this up here. And let me move this one out of the way just so I don't knock it off on the ground. Let's look at the beautiful colors. Comes with 2 needles. I sometimes use a 28 needle that I get from 123 Stitch, especially on 14 count. It just depends. Sometimes the canvas is not as tight as any of the others. But look at those bright, vivid colors. Aren't they beautiful? Just gorgeous. Can you ever? Oh my goodness, I feel a start coming on. Oh, and it does have, I'm sorry, I didn't finish what I was saying. Okay, so the red number, let me get it up here as close as I can without it blurring. The red number is how many threads of that color there are. Then you have your DMC number, and then the numbers down close to the threads are the number on the thread card. So let's look at the canvas. It's kind of long and skinny, but it does not look complicated. Like I said, there's only cross stitch in this, no back stitching, no French knots. You can do as you please, you know, because you can take a bare bones pattern like this and just embellish it with maybe beads or maybe French knots. Maybe you like French knots. Maybe you like more back stitching. So whatever you so choose, you can do. But this looks very simple and very easy, very well printed. Of course, it's Joy Sunday. And here are your symbols. Your card number is on the top. Then you have the symbol that's on this canvas. And then you have the DMC numbers down below. So this would be a wonderful little pattern for somebody that has never cross-stitched, or you're just beginning and all you know how to do is cross-stitch. There you go. You could whip this out in a week or two. You know, just depending on how much you stitched on it. But it's very simple, and I like it. So it is 35 centimeters or 14 inches that way. This way it is almost 10 and a half or 26 and a half centimeters. The actual picture is about 17 and 3/4 inches within, whoa, a hair. I almost dropped my tape measure. That would be a disaster. And it's 11 inches this way, or 28 and a half almost centimeters. So not too big. You could do one color at a time, and I'm thrilled sick that there's only 8 colors. So I think it's beautiful. I fell in love with it. It was just so simple, so easy, gorgeous. And for $5, oh yeah. So, or it was $5.39. So now the next one is going to be a 29 by 40. It is a 14 count, and it was $6.79. It is a Joy Sunday wannabe as well. It does have the instructions on the back of your reusable plastic bag. These bags are wonderful. You can use it for another kit when you're finished with the one that's in there. It's awesome. So we got another one that is kind of on the same menu as this. This one has a few more colors, but very pretty. It says, "Live life, bloom wildly." So this one's going to have a minimal amount of back stitching in it. I can't tell if there's, what do you call them, French knots or not. We'll find that out here in a second. But isn't that pretty? It's just simple and pretty. I love it. We put that up there. This has French knots, back stitch, and full stitch. I'm trying to figure out how many colors. We have 18 colors in this. Nicely printed paper. It's all on one full actual page. But you could just do this a little bit at a time. It would be gorgeous. And the nominal back stitching, it shows right here. You see where where those yellow lines are, and where you can put your initial here. And I don't know, that's what I was looking for. I'm not seeing any other letters. So I don't know if you could find in a book, you know, some patterns for initials, that kind of thing, on something else, so that you could make your own initials right there, or you could just leave it off. That would be up to you. It does have the product numbers here. It is 118 by 177, 14 count, but very well printed. I love it. Nice, big, easy keep. This matches your paper pattern only. Same rules apply. The the canvas has its own set of, oh dear, of symbols. So you would follow the canvas symbols. But if you had to look to see where to place the back stitching, that's what you would do. It has 310 black, no 823, no 939, no 3371. It has B5200. Where's them other numbers? And 3832. Not sure what color that is. But we're going to find out. And there's nominal, what do you call them? French knots in this. I just saw them someplace. Oh, they're in the eyes up here in the writing. So this has nominal back stitching, nominal French knots. You could even change those out for beads if you wanted to. So that would be nice. Let's take a look at the threads. Beautiful colors. Got lots of pinks and greens. You have 2 needles here. Now this one's a different one. It doesn't show you how many strands of each you have. So this is more the normal thing that usually comes in a kit. But still beautiful colors. Just love those blues and pinks and golds. Ugh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Put that up there and let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. I'm going to put that up there just so the cat doesn't get it. And right here, I don't know if you can see this. Can you faintly see the lettering right there so you know about where to start? And there's back stitching. That's what I meant, for the back stitching of the words. And then there's some little back stitching right out here in this top part. So very nice. It tells you what the name of the pattern is and the 2 numbers that are on the front. It is 118 by 177. It says it here. Nice. I'm trying to lay it flat. Clear key. Very easy to see symbols. And it's printed Enjoy Sunday Fashion. Very well printed. Sometimes I can and can't see them. So I get into trouble when there's that half cross stitch because it's like a checkerboard looking thing. I don't know how to explain it. It's like squares, like there's 2 4 squares together or something. I don't know. I can't hardly see that. But this is very nice and very easy to see. And of course the material is nice and soft. And with 18 colors, there's going to be a little bit more definition. Okay, it is a little over 41 centimeters or 16¼ inches. And this way it is 11 and a little over 11½ or 11¼ centimeters, or about 29 inches on the 11¼ It's 29½. Isn't that what I said? Holy cow. Yeah, 29½ centimeter, 29. So actual picture size is, we'll try to get it right this time, 21½ or 8½ inches. This way it is 33 centimeters or 13 inches. So it's not very big, not a whole lot to it. You just stitch what is printed on this. You do not do the background, so this is a partial. But I just thought it was cute. I really, really did. I like that there's not a whole lot to it. You know, I'm kind of liking these partial 14 count. It's not so much as commitment as a big full coverage 14 count, because, yeah, it kind of sends me over the edge. What can I say? But very nice, very nicely done. Very well printed. I love it. Just beautiful. All right. So that is all for this week. Next Thursday, we'll have part 2. And we'll see what we have then. Thank you, DPClubs, for these 2 beautiful kits. Now, DPClubs has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section. If they have any specials at all, I will put that in the description box below. And if I believe I have a discount code, so you're welcome to use that whenever you order. And I think I have a 15% discount code. I don't think that's changed. All right. Well, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.